We're on the Alpaca Turbo Discord. Let's see what's going on in here. People posted models. Is there development? Extended development. Yeah, this is what I want to do. Extend Alpaca Turbo. Window.ai. Baby AGI. See, these are the things that connect the AI to the internet. That's what I want to do as well. Dude, this is the offer, Viper X7. I'm just gonna say, yo, sick project. Where do I say that? Say hello. Oh, tell them I made a video with over 50,000 views. I'll probably like that. I hope they don't dislike it. Billion 4-bit rev. Hectic. You can get this. Let's see if there's anything cool in a showcase. Someone made their own UI on top of it. Can't see it. Oh, it asks for permission every time. That's pretty cool. And you have a log of all the calls you've done. Or you can set a local model or a GPT-4 model. Whoa, what is this? Does this guy have a link? Seems very cool. Damn, he got 30,000 views as well. Functioning API. Oh, they're the ones that launched this window.ai? I think we should give that a go. Shaggy says, what about AGI offering about free fitty? Oh, wanting to buy AGI offering about tree fitty. It's a pretty good price for AGI. What? This website isn't even live. Oh, this is the same thing. window.ai.io. Oh, it's a bit confusing. window.ai.io. Looks very clean though. Good job, Alex. I'm going to give you a follow. This is made apparently by Alex Atala. Oh, he's a YCOM. Previous co-founder and CTO at OpenSea. Oh shit, that's a pretty big thing to have. Shout out to Alex. Now they've made window.ai. Can we use it? Oh, it's a Chrome extension, which seems to have opened a Discord. The frick? Lit. Dude, we got Deep B in the chat. Should I say shouts out Deep B? Dude, they look like a professor or something. Let's go. Alright, showing my love in their Discord, but I want to use this. Oh, it's being developed. Please join the Discord to download the beta. Okay. Where's the beta? Beta builds. Google Drive. Sick. Dude, what if this is fake? I could be installing some malware here. Gotta double check this dude's profile. No, he was followed by some of my friends as well, still. How do you install this malware? And this is chrome.com. 2 signs that it's probably not malware. Oh man. There we go. Go to Chrome extensions in a new tab. And then enable developer mode and click load unpacked. Easy. And I didn't unpack it. Bear with me. What should I call this? Chrome window AI. Yusave, hi, thanks for the rose. Welcome to the stream. What's happening? Habibi. This. Sick. Is that it? So I have it now? Oh, sick. Excellent. And then what? Then you type here. Oh, nice. I have a GitHub. Documentation. Habibi says, how do you get Auto GPT to spit out an app? Been here 2 hours and spent $3 in API fees. Yo, my bro, I felt the same thing. Yeah, yesterday I thought it could do coding as well, but I couldn't get it to do much actually, and I ended up moving on. So I can't help you exactly, but what are you trying to get it to do? Shouts out this guy, Alex. Dude, Wi-Fi coin. What happened to that? It's on TechCrunch. Alright, how do we use this? You just use it in that window? Oh, I guess you do. Alright, I'm gonna add my API key to this. Habibi says, make a boys and girls program maker for the youth that generates youth programs. You want to make it and donate it to the Boys and Girls Club. That's nice. Yeah, I don't know. It'd be pretty impressive if Auto GPT could do that. I feel like you'd still need to do a lot of it yourself or someone. But eventually, probably. I was actually thinking of making one myself. I think that's where everyone's headed. The like end goal is to eventually make it be able to do any computer task. Alright, I think I installed my API key. Let's try and message something here. It's currently researching how to use Flask. Well, that's a good start, actually. But yeah, maybe it takes it ages. You're gonna cancel the program? Yeah, $3 already for 2 hours. Still a lot cheaper than like an actual developer, but maybe it's a lot slower as well. Alright, message to start the conversation. What should I say? What do you know about... Make this bigger for you guys. Alpaca Turbo. Wait, this is just normal. Can it use... Hold up. Can it use different models? Oh, did I just mess that up? Let me refresh. Peace out, Habibi. Thanks for joining and commenting. Wait, what are the features here? Main features. What am I trying to find out? Configure keys. Use external models. Okay. So that's a good benefit. But I have to be hosting it. Huh. With Alpaca Turbo. Okay. Because they make an API. Oh shit. So anyone can make a front end using Alpaca Turbo. Wait, this is their own Alpaca Turbo, forked from the one I was using. Updated 4 days ago. When was the OG updated? Last week. 5 hours ago. That's pretty good. But did they have an API as well? No. Do they? New API. It's a pull request from Alex. Oh no, it's a change. It was merged 3 weeks ago. Okay. Okay. So, it seems like his docs are different though. Could learn more about it like this. What's his screencast showing? The ability to remember a previous part of the conversation. Is this Discord different to... What the hell? This looks way different. This is still like ViperX's README as well. He just added this using the API. Make sure your model location is correct. Run the API using UVcorn. What the hell is UVcorn? I haven't heard of this. Is a web server implementation for Python. Okay. Cool. Haven't heard of that one. Because I'm more of a JavaScript developer. So should we use their one? I gotta say it does look sleeker, but it's totally different. Prompt playground. I do want to try this one out. Actually, my end goal here is to have something that can run without having to do pip installs. Packaging it using Python installer. Yeah. I want to see if that's possible. Installer, yeah. I want to know if I can make a PyInstaller version of Alpaca Turbo. That way people don't have to know how to use like Python and pip install and all that. That could be my contribution. How do you do it? Let's see. Let's close some tabs. I'm gonna save these in my notes. Okay. I might take a short break to go to the bathroom. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Did I add this BRB text? Yeah, I did. Nice. Yo, I'm back. Alright, Pi installer, how do you use this shit? How to install? Using. Pi installer my script. Is it that easy? That would be awesome. How do you install it? Let's see. Pip install Pi installer. Okay. Let's try this out. Mindu, thanks for the follow. Mindo Nirangu. Alright. Oh yeah, that's not it. Pip install Pi installer. Did it do it? Error. Cannot find that thing. So annoying. Wait, Conda. Can I do it in Conda? Is there an easy way to copy this? Will this work? Aha! Gotcha. Gotcha, bitch. Alpaca Turbo, please. Alright, ready for the moment of truth? Pi installer API.py. Will this create an executable for me? It's definitely doing something. I don't know how long this will take, but I assume it'll take at least 2 minutes. Oh, whoa, I was wrong. Cliff, what happened to the island game? Asked Cliff A? Cliff? I got distracted with AI. The island game, it's still hosted, alpha.berrygame.com if you want to play it. The last thing I did was include the damage dealing, so you can attack other players now. But that's about it. I haven't done anything since then. I was gonna do like death animations and stuff. But yeah, I've just been way too interested in like these AI models, these large language models. Shaggy asks, what's the best pre-AGI you've seen so far? Well, I haven't been able to use it, but Auto GPT and Baby AGI seems sick. But I haven't got them to work properly for me yet. I just tried to make this Alpaca Turbo thing that I'm sure you guys have seen the video on. I'm trying to make an executable for it. I don't know if it worked. Alpaca Turbo. Nothing here. Using Pi installer. I don't really know how to make it work. Shaggy says Auto GPT was kind of disappointing for me. Need to try Baby AGI. Yeah, exactly the same here. Auto GPT didn't really meet my like expectations, but I haven't tried Baby AGI either. Dist folder. Oh shit! Is this it? Would this work? API XZ? No, it didn't work. Oh man, I got excited. Doesn't even say why it didn't work. Shaggy says Auto GPT keeps getting stuck in loops. True. Damn, I'm sad this executable didn't work. I don't know how to fix this. Oh, bundle to one file. How do you do that? The advantage, you get something they understand. Disadvantage, that's fine. How do you do the one file program? Options. One file. Bundling to one file. They don't really say how. Very nicely, at least. I need dot points. Oh man, that sucks. Oh. Is it because I didn't... No, that wouldn't make sense. Is this a thing? This is the same thing. Ooh, -- one file. Okay, let's try that. -- one file. I'll delete all of this stuff as well. That's it. One file. So quick. 11 megabytes. Please. No. What even is this? I need to open this in it's probably got a lot more to do with it. What I just tried to do was run py installer on this API.py script. Whoa, what the... Oh man, I keep opening this. This, Alpaca Turbo API.py. This is just a Flask server. Okay. Wait, someone asked me about that, and I had a feeling that this would just be Flask. I don't know how else you'd do a server in what's this thing called? Python. Alright. Turn Flask project into executable. How do you do that? You can. It's not easy though. That was 5 years ago. What about 2022?
In this video we are gonna convert our Flask app into an executable file. Welcome to another video. Hope you're doing well. Let's convert our Flask app into an executable file. In order to do so, we need to install py-webview and py-installer.
Okay.
After installing that, write your Flask app code. After you write the code, just import the WebView module in your code. This will import all the dependencies in your project that will help you to convert your app. Where we use app.run method to run the app. We'll use here webview.start as we need to run our app in executable file. Let's run the app.
Okay. Do I have a main folder? I do. Socket IO run. Oh, so that's another thing that I don't know. Socket IO py installer. I really want to know what Alex's version of this looks like. Is there a way to see forks? No. Oh no. Maybe I'll check the Discord. Oh, this guy's been chatting to the Agent GPT guy. Apparently they use LangChain on the back end. And difficult for him to move client side. Agent GPT is all open source as well. Interesting. Dude, open source is sick. I should just open source my game. I'm too brainwashed with capitalism. Do they have features? No. Damn, so many forks. Alright, what file was I looking at? Can't even remember. API.py? Yeah, API.py. This looks different. Yeah. Let me think. Do they hold up? Oh, why did I quit it? No, it's still here. Do they still use Socket IO? No. Do they have a main function? No. Can't see it. What does it say on here? If name. Nah, this is totally different. Run using Uvicorn. Oh, that's why. Of course, I forgot. Or WebUI. They made a pipe called WebUI. WebUI Bat. Dude, I'm definitely cloning this. Git clone. Alpaca Turbo. Alex's Alpaca Turbo. Okay. Alright, we're trying out Alex's Alpaca Turbo now. Wait a second. Oh shit. I was gonna say, they didn't have anything about Conda, did they? How did I end up? What? Why did I end up with a Conda installation when they didn't even have it in their docs, as far as I'm aware? Yo, Radical Roma, what's up? Wake up and relax. What's up? What's up? Man, this, I've like hidden the borders of this terminal, so now every time I want to try select them, it's like impossible. So annoying. So we'll just have a small, oh my, small thing. Oh, I can't remember where I saw the mini conda installation instructions for. Oh, here it is. Yeah, here it is. They're in the Windows and Mac instructions. Let's see if the web UI runs. No, it doesn't. Yeah, I have an issue with my Python, which is, how do you exit this shit? Oh my god. Yeah, it's even smaller now. Oh, there we go. Thank goodness. Okay, so conda create n. I think this is how you create a new virtual environment. Wait, actually, if I just, yeah, no, let's create a new one. Alex's Alpaca Turbo Python equals 3.8 -y. I don't know what that -y does. Trying to learn from the pros, says wake up and relax. Virtual man GPT for all, bruh. Do you reckon that one's better than Vicuña? I haven't tried GPT for all, but I've been hearing a lot of people talk about it, so maybe it is better. Late night or early morning radical, you ask? For me, it's 4 p.m. right now. So neither. I'm drinking green tea. Might have some now. Thanks for the reminder. Give me 1 sec. Like this. For someone. Virtual Man says, I'm ready for local AI agents. Yeah, man. They're here. Just download and use them. Alright, let's come to activate this. And then we'll pip install our requirements. Copy this for my notes. Alright, we're installing all the requirements for this new and improved Alpaca Turbo using, what is it using? This thing, Uvicorn. Can we go Uvicorn to executable? Is that possible? Deployment, here we go, this is exactly it. Server deployment. Alright, so it's finished installing. Now we can run the web UI. Is that true? Can we run the web UI? Apparently we can. Let's try it. Oh yeah, sweet. Whoa, what are all these bots? New chat. Hello. Is this even loading with anything? List index out of range. Settings. Ah, the model. Where is my model? Definitely not there. It is in here? Yes. This is exactly where it is. Apply. Now will you say hello? Hello. Nope. More errors. Let's try run it with the way they suggest. Here, where is here? Oh. Okay, let me find that. Guess we're opening this in VS Code now. Yo, we got some messages on TikTok. Spoonful asks, what is your main programming language? Me, JavaScript. That's my most experienced, most comfy. Dennis Lin, nice. Trying Alpaca Turbo. Yeah. Yesterday I did Alpaca Turbo, the normal one from Viper X7. Today I was just looking at the possibilities of extending it and making it into like a packaged executable file so people don't have to know how to use conda. And yeah, we can give it to more people, I guess. I don't know, I might give up on that goal and do something else pretty soon of just extending the current one. But yeah, that's what I've been doing. That's a great idea, says Dennis. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, so this new package. So the blockage I ran into before was this one uses Socket IO and Flask, and I haven't really figured out how to package those properly and whether you can even package with Socket IO servers. But now we're gonna try Uvicorn. Oh yeah, after we set the model path, that's right. Where is this? Dennis says, I've had issues building the executable on different platforms, but it's just user error, I'm sure. Yeah, well, it's quite hard to do these days, so I don't blame you, man. You gotta go. No worries. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for the comments. If anyone else has any questions, feel free to ask, or yeah, I'll try to answer them best I can. All right. Let's see where I need to set the file path. I'm gonna do a global search for for .bin. That should find it. That is not the search .bin. Here it is. And do I still have it copy pasted? I have, yeah, almost. Almost. In here. Okay. Now, GitHub, please. Now I run this apparently. Quit. Closing server. Dude, Flask is so much slower than the node. What's the node one called? Express? Actually, I don't know. I don't really use Express. It's been closing server for ages. How long does it take? Yo, Shaggy, welcome back. What's happening? I'm just gonna open a new one. This is annoying. Close. Oh man, I gotta change the size again. I should just use VS Code, let's be honest. Alright, VS Code. Plus. Did I copy the nope. Boom. Oh, errors. It'd be nice if I go a whole day without any errors. Imagine that. No module name, pexpet. Oh, I think I need to do conda activate. Is there a way to do conda ls to see what's available? Conda list. Oh man, that's a lot. Called it Alex or something. It's not there. The fuck? Man. I'll give you 1 sec. Activate Alex's Alpaca Turbo. That work? Yeah, sick. Alright, now let's try run this Uvicorn. Awesome! Man, Conda is great. Solves a lot of my problems. Alright, let's see if this works. Nope. Oh, maybe. It's loading. Nope, still not working. Why not? Why not? It's just blank. It's even worse. Damn. Alright, let's just use the normal Alpaca Turbo. Let's do that. I want to see if we can modify that one. Alright, the OG Alpaca Turbo. Whoops. Terminal, please. Conda activate Alpaca Turbo. Python API. Alright. This one. Sick. Alright. This one works, as you guys have seen from my video. Well, what should we ask it today? Any questions, guys, for ChatGPT? Well, not ChatGPT. Vicuña. I want to make it be able to access. There's 2 changes I want to make to this. One of them is the ability to copy code, because right now it gives it the right output with the backticks in JavaScript, but it doesn't have the copy button that that ChatGPT has. Wow, it just didn't wanna. Yeah, so let's inspect the code side by side. I'm gonna close all the other tabs there. Bring this up. How does that look? Not bad. I'll just move my webcam here so we can see the chat and the webcam. All right. So how does this work? Let's do some reverse engineering. See how slow this is? I probably have to restart it. Or it's just, I don't know. It's weird sometimes. Let's see if it does it like any faster if I do it now. I'm gonna zoom out here so I can read it a bit better. Send input. Here we go. Socket IO on send input. App.route. Let me see, every time I do a send input, is that like a socket IO thing, or do I specify that? Assistant at sendconv. Assistant. Wow, so they actually have, wait, no. Load chat. Clear chat. Where's like, what was the, oh, sendconv. Send conv. Pre-prompt equals pre-prompt if pre-prompt is not none, else none. Dude, that's like English. That's pretty cool. Python can be like English. Conv equals conversation. I don't have to know about this stuff, to be honest. I can just ignore it and focus on like the styling, for instance. But this 59 lines thing has really messed it up. I'm gonna try do something simpler. Should we try the, I have an Alpaca 7B model here. It's only 4 gigs. I have GPT for all. I'm gonna cut this and put it in this models file folder. Let's see if this almost half the size project is any faster. I'm gonna restart this Alpaca Turbo as well. It keeps doing a get status HTTP request every second. Like, that can't be good. I feel like there's a lot of improvement to be made here. But I don't want to diss the project either, because it is a lot cooler than like anything else I had seen and actually worked. So big props to Viper. Let's see if it loads this Alpaca 7B. Loading the model. Please wait. Oh, maybe it can't load it. But this is Alpaca Turbo. Give it some time. Alright, now let's try it. I swear it loads Vicuña much faster. Yeah, see? Huh. Alright, let's just give it a simple write JavaScript to print hello world. Oh, we got the logs here. This is cool. I didn't actually notice this. Instruction response. So it's doing it in this format behind the scenes, and we don't actually see that. And boom, you see here it's doing the coding thing. So we can hijack this styling to make our own as well. If we just figure out what element, waiting prompt, is that really it? Oh, it is. Waiting prompt. Let's see if we can find that anywhere in the source code. Yo, relaxation videos. Just reading that name made me relax. How did this stuff work? Wait, surely. Like, where is the UI defined? templates? Have they just minified it? Maybe. Maybe. This is Alpaca Turbo. Might be looking in the wrong spot. Let's look at their Discord. Extended development. Wait, so API.py. We could use that. So this is actually also an API, because I am running the API. Let's run. How would I talk to it? Here, post request to socket IO address. It's just the two. Is this the format that you have to prompt it with? If you go into the settings here, here. There's no way to quit the settings. If you go into the mixer bar, I guess it's also settings, it gives you the format that it posts it as. I didn't write this top bit. Interesting. So how can I access the server with my own front end? Seeing as their front end isn't available for editing. Let me ask that here. Feature requests. Create and save personalities. Posting requests through API access. Posting, hold up. Hello. Just welcoming my mum. Damn, these are cool logos. Well, I don't know what you call them. I guess they're not always logos. Midjourney is insane. I need to use that shit too. For some reason, I'm more interested in like generating code. I guess that actually makes sense because I am a programmer. Okay, editing Alpaca Turbo. Doesn't look like we can. So do we make our own front end? We could. We could. What are the other formats? Tech tutor. Topic instruction. Let's ask it. How can I package a Flask project and socket a Flask server that uses socket IO as a Windows executable? Windows executable? Yeah. What if I, can you, yeah, I think that's the only way. Let's see what the requests look like here. Whoa, see, now the prompt changes to technology tutor bot, specializing in simplifying this. Explain the following technological topic. That's not even exactly what I want. Topic. It's like some forced prompt engineering. Yo, got a message on TikTok from Mello. What countries do that GPT-4 can do? Sorry, I meant what can this do that GPT-4 can't do? This, like, the biggest appeal of it is it's offline, so it's free, and it's, I think it's less restricted as well. I don't know, I haven't really tried to do anything that's restricted on GPT-4, but those are two reasons. Otherwise, yeah, GPT-4 would probably be better. Which brings me to the next question. I want something that can run these instructions. I don't know why this, if I write continue here, it's gonna send a whole lot more than continue. So it's a bit annoying, and there's no blank. Advanced mode, can you turn off advanced mode? Oh, I guess. Okay, I'll stop that. I'm gonna design a prompt that will help run if I was like, okay, let's see. Provide, act as a senior software engineer. You will be given a task and your job is to provide actions to complete that task. You must specify when to, you must specify what commands to enter into a Windows terminal. Windows command prompt. Terminal. Into Windows terminal and to complete the task. After each action, you will be updated on. You will be updated if a provided action fails, and new actions will need to respond with new actions to help debug and complete the task. Understood. I love that understood is. Alright, please provide the task. Okay. There is a Flask project using Socket IO in the current directory. Convert the project into a Windows executable .exe file. Let's see what it would do. Yep, PyInstaller. Nice, pip install PyInstaller. Ooh, templates. Okay, we're gonna do this all in the conda. I think we're already in the conda, nice. Eventlet. Install those. And then run PyInstaller. Oh shit. Instead of app.py, we want. Do we want API? Yeah, API.py. Unable to find static files. What were the static? I guess we don't have static files. Should we add the models? No. No, we don't need the models. Well, there's already a exe file. What am I doing? What am I doing? What happens if we run that? Main.exe. Nothing. Okay. No static files. Nice. Sweet. Let's see what happens. All right. Where did it put it? In the dist folder? Oh, that worked for longer than I expected. You guys can't see it. It shows. Alright. This is what happened. Like, this will be so cool if it fixes this. When the exe file is run, it briefly shows the terminal window before closing. This is not expected. This is wrong. Wait, how do we debug this? Let's see. First, create a new exe file for console window so that it stays open. We add the console flag. Okay. Let's try that. Eventlet backdoor. Doesn't sound good. Alright. Is this a new file now? 429. No, it's not. Maybe I'm running the wrong file. Where would the file go? Wait, let me delete this. It is that file. Yo, my TikTok chat disappeared. The hell? There it is. Okay, that didn't work. Navigate to this and run it. Oh, okay, let's run it in the terminal. It's not recognized as a command. Huh. Alright, let's see what ChatGPT says. We're gonna run out of credits soon, but that's okay. Okay, don't use the preceding dot app dot. Wait, it's API. I don't know why I even use app. So that you do need the dot. Invalid async mode specified. Okay, good. At least we get the errors now. We're going to change something in Socket IO and change the async mode. Okay, can do that. Let's do that. So what do we need to find? Socket IO bracket open. We just close this and this and this and go this and this. Alright, here it is. And we want to add async mode. Will that work? That it? The async mode should be set to one of the supported async modes, such as threading, event-lit, or based on what you've installed, we should use event-lit. Okay. That's good. Good thing that you remembered. Save the changes to API. How did I know it was an API pie? Rerun the pie installer. Okay. Fittins World, thanks for the follow. Nathan Kernan, welcome. PPPP, welcome. All right. Will this run? Nope, failed to execute script API due to unhandled exception. Invalid async mode specified. I guess it doesn't like. Oh, that's how it knew it was. So did it just hallucinate this event lit? What if we tried G event? I don't know what that is, but I figured I'd save myself one message because now we're approaching our limit of 25 messages every 3 hours. Steve Vac, welcome. All right. Dist. Whoa. Dist API. Nah, still the same. Seems that the issue still persists. In this case, we can try another approach by allowing Flask Socket IO to automatically select the best available async mode. Okay, with the 3 dots. Oh no. Remove async mode. That's what it was originally. No. No, dude, no. What was the original error? Man, this guy's got short-term memory. Oh, it's the same. Is it the same? Invalid async mode. What else could we try? Give 5 options without going into detail. Breadth first search. Steve Beck followed and shared the live. Thanks so much, Steve. Appreciate you. If more viewers share, something will happen. I don't know. TikTok's encouraging it. It's like, encourage more viewers to share the live. But you can't see that here. Can I make this text bigger? I can't. What, settings? Oh, maybe I can. I can make the background thicker, darker. Probably do that. What else can I do? I can't make it bigger. Sucks. But thanks, Steve Beck. Alright, 5 options. Ensure that eventlet package is installed. Oh, that's a good point. I don't think it is. Wait, did we? Eventlet. Yeah, we did. We'll do it again. Did it do it? Requirement satisfied. Yeah, it is installed. Okay. What was number 2? Using G-Event. I did try using G-Event. Oh, after installing G-Event and G-Event WebSockets. Okay. Hold on. Wait. Yeah, okay. G-Event and G-Event dash WebSocket. Maurizio, thanks for the follow. Ecal, what's going on? Alright. Let's try package this up now. What the freak? Here we go. Ollie Q, good morning. 3 lives in a row, I think you've caught me. Well, 3 days in a row at least. Appreciate it. This is going to be one of my final attempts at packaging this Python Flask Socket IO project into an executable. This one took longer, so I feel like it did more stuff. Will it work? No, same thing. Same error. But I didn't say what's up. Socket IO nice, Python equals not nice. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of the combination that's the issue here. Any compatibility issues? Create a minimal example. Potential conflicts. Might Google it. socket IO Flask Pi installer this issue. Troubled me a lot. I tried adding many different modules, then I realized you need to mention G event. Is that so? Here? Do I even have that? Wait, how do you import eventlet? Let's try that as well. Right, use eventlet in socket IO async mode. Gevent. Where did I even do that? What's my reasoning for exiting it? Well, I wanted it to be easy for people to run without having to install Python and then install all of Python's, you know, libraries that it's using, modules that it's using. But actually, let's try run with the eventlet thing in the other way. Where is that? Here. Does it still run when I do it with Python? Ollie's saying it's just containerizing it, but no point if it's for everyone to use. Yeah, I want it to be, I don't know. It's not a big deal. I might do it a different way in a bit, but yeah, the reasoning was. Did it break? What's the issue? Eventlet WGI server, unexpected argument. Server. Open. Locate the server. Are you sure? I don't even have the server. Oh, I do. Delete that. Okay. Let's try again. Oh, it worked. Let's see. Open. No, it didn't work. What's GI? I feel like that's not normal. Or add this URL. Oh. Okay, so it did work. It's just a different URL. Okay. Let's try package it now. See if that works. You need to hit it at, yeah, and not 0.0. Yeah, you're right. Or localhost. I think localhost would work as well. Localhost. Nope. It Googles it. Did I put a space in there or something? Localhost.host. .host. Okay, just ignore me. do. Avant-garde exists. Welcome. Ollie says localhost should work. Yeah, it should. Aryan Singh on YouTube. Yo, bro, what's happening? Sorry, I just saw your messages. You're the first person to comment on YouTube, so I wasn't really looking out for it. Alright, will this exe file work now? No, same error, bro. Damn. Damn. Okay. Okay, avant-garde. Nice work. Thank you. I appreciate the kind messages. Even though it's not working as an executable, I guess we have made some progress, kinda. Not really. But it's good. I like the positivity. Damn, what do we want to get out of this? Pretty much Auto GPT with the UI, which is Agent GPT. Maybe we should just be going off that project. Let's go back at Agent GPT. It wants me to put in my API key every time, dude. It's so annoying. Oh shit, you saw that? I'm gonna have to delete it and create a new one. Luckily, it's really easy to create API keys on OpenAI. Alright, so this is the project. Can you get it to use? No, you can't. This one actually has access to the internet. That's what's cool about this. So, I'm gonna make a bot called GitHub GPT, and I'll be like, the goal is to get all the commands needed to run the project Alpaca Turbo on Git on a Windows machine. Let's see what it does. It wasn't working for me this morning. Oh, because I actually tried to give it the... Okay, it goes real slow. I mean, fast. Added 3 tasks. 1. Perform a system scan to ensure all necessary dependencies and software are installed. System scan complete. The following dependencies and software are required to run. Please make sure that these are installed on the Windows computer. Is that right? Pip package manager. Oh, okay. Yeah, sure. Retrieve the GitHub repository. Oh, it can't access the internet? I thought this one could. I'm gonna stop it here before it eats up all my money. I don't have the readme file. Dude, the whole point of this was I thought it had access to the internet. Okay, but this UI is awesome. This is better than the Alpaca Turbo UI, in my opinion, just in terms of cleanliness and speed for sure. Even though like you can't really compare them because I'm using a local model on Alpaca Turbo. What are they using? Tailwind next. That's good. Getting started. Manual setup. Git clone. Agent GPT. Nice. Alright, I'm cloning this. the actual work on it, I think I'll have to take a break before that. I'm getting kind of tired, but it will be done. Or should I fork it? Dude, let's fork it. Damn it. Damn it. Close this. Did I? No, I didn't. Okay. Fork. We're gonna call it Agent GPT. No, AGI. AJI. Yeah. Oh, it has to be public? That's okay. Right? Yes. For now. Alright, AJI. Clone that shit. Done. Open it in VS Code. Agent. No. AJI. Okay. Let's add all the packages with yarn and have a look through the source code. Okay. Pages. Index. Nice. Finally some React. This is good. This is what I like. This is what I'm used to. I'm gonna zoom out here. Whoa, I accidentally zoomed in just so I can see stuff. Enable a minimap. Okay. Deploy agent. Excellent. This is some good stuff. This is some good stuff. Okay, handle a new goal. Add message. Autonomous agent. Run. Send goal message. Oh man, it feels so good navigating through this. Send message. Okay. Send message. Is that defined somewhere? Nope. Not really. This is like a kind of like a class descriptor. Petacraft asks, why do you use VS Code in admin mode? I feel like there was this one, like, it wasn't always like this, but like something happened and I needed to run it in admin mode, so now I do. This gives it permissions. Or maybe I was desperate and trying everything. And now it just always runs in admin mode, so I haven't been bothered to change it back. Do you have any opinions on that? Is that dangerous? Let me know. Petacraft. Yeah, how does the send message work? Let's look at the whoops. Server. Auth API example. Secret message. execute create task agent. Chain TS. Oh, this is LangChain. Is it? Yeah, right. I need to educate myself on LangChain. Would you guys like to watch a video together? Yo, I got 2 viewers on YouTube. Shit, am I ignoring that? You guys like to watch a video together? Yo, VS, how's it going? I'm good. Shout out to Aryan Singh and VS on YouTube. My brothers. Or sisters. Or they, thems, you know, what, whichever. What was I doing? Oh yeah, LangChain. What's a LangChain? Build apps with language models. Improve your baby AGI with LangChain. This guy has the most views. Ooh. These are all very interesting videos that I want to watch. We'll go with this 39,000 view.
And we're going to talk about why I think it's a crucial investment to put energy into learning what LangChain is and how you can use it. Now, first off, how the series is going to work. We're going to run through the documentation that they've provided, and I'm going to speak over the documentation and provide some real-world code samples and extend them just a little bit so you can see some functionality that you may find applicable in your business or your personal life. Now, how is the series going to be going? Well, it's mostly going to be around short tutorial videos. However, we may get crazy and go, say, Roaring Kitty style and do some 3-hour videos, but we will see. Now, why is LangChain important and what is it? Well, first, before I go and explain that, I want to kind of set up what the problem is. Now, what we're looking at here is we're looking at Chat GPT. And this is something that we all know. And I'm going to first ask Chat GPT, what is LangChain? What is LangChain? And we'll see what it says for us. It says,
I think none of us can be bothered watching this, so we're just going to do the OpenAI summary. And LangChain is a library that connects AI models with outside sources for real-world applications. LangChain allows users to chain together commands to obtain desired information. Learning LangChain is a valuable investment as it separates abstraction layers and connects different tools. Oh, it's a tutorial series. Okay. So, they use LangChain. We don't really need to know too much about it now, I guess. Just those first 3 points were good. So pretty much it's a library that connects AI models with the outside world. Excellent. But like how? I'm pretty curious to know how as well. But okay. New OpenAI. LangChain LLMs OpenAI. Okay, shit. So LangChain has a whole bunch of libraries. Okay, let's look them up on GitHub. Shout out HW Chase 17. LangChain, building applications with LLMs through composability. Damn, they have some proper documentation. This is awesome. How many stars? 25, what? 25,000. Okay. That's very cool. So we create an OpenAI agent and start goal prompt. You're an autonomous task creation AI called Agent GPT. You have the following goals. Wait, what? No way. So it's always called Agent GPT, even though it like makes you think like you changed the name. Avant-Garde exists says ask GPT what send message does in that code. The problem with GPT is sometimes it can't like do you mean like send the whole code and ask it what that method means, or anyway. Paul appreciates you sent a TickTok. Thanks so much. I've never received a TickTok before. That's awesome. Think Insights, welcome to the stream. I think we're onto something with this chain.ts. I think this is where all the fun happens. I'm gonna find where the start goal prompt. No. Start goal agent is called. All in chain TSS. TS. That's fine. That's fine. Execute task prompt. Wow, the prompt still has that in the template. New LLM chain. LLM chain. Alright, I want to kind of see this documentation. LangChain docs. What's his notification? Mahmoud A. Absir, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. Shout out to all my 180 subs on YouTube. Appreciate all you guys. Oh, not even 180. I need 2 more guys, please. You TikTok people, I know you haven't subbed. It's up to you to keep my motivation up. Okay, LangChain. Is there a search? Yeah, sick. LLM. What was it called? LLM chain. LLM chain. Technically Web3. Thanks for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. AussieMD. What's happening? How to add memory. Blah blah blah. Okay, there's a lot to quick start guide. Let's just see this. You install it with Python. Whoa, what's up with this styling on this? Looks really shit on my monitor. OpenAI LLM text. Okay. Okay, damn. Can we run this locally with just yarn dev? Nope. Oh, I don't have next. How do I not have next? Wait, we installed everything with yarn, right? No, we got an error. Could not. Whoa. Hold on. No space left on device. Dude, I'm running out of space. Technically Web3 says they saw the custom language model video. Very cool stuff. Awesome. Yeah, man. I'm trying to take it to the next level. Check out Agent GPT. That is very cool. Okay, I need to free up space. These. No, I don't know what to delete. Hold on, there should be something big somewhere. How big is this? No big. This one. Actually, I think I downloaded it. Yeah, this 3 gigs. Boom. Actually, I should empty my bin as well. Alright, let's try yarn again. Yeah, I'm very excited to extend this Agent GPT. They have a Discord as well. I need to join that. Damn, there's people here. Yo, should I say hi to one of them? Yo. think your mic's busted. It's just fuzz. I'll be back in a sec. Technically Web3 says, I've been writing some white papers using GPT for my NFT album format and social media blockchain. Sick. Good stuff. Yeah, man. So useful. Still installing. Should I check this guy again? Yo. Alright, what about Felix? Yo.
Dari situ marketing nih, maksudnya ya dia bisa belajar kalau orang niatnya memang mau belajar mau maju, niat nih, mentality nih Pak. Tapi kayaknya mentalitinya kayak udah ya kalau.
Dude, it sounded like Portuguese or something. Thanks for the follow, Avant-Garde exists. Appreciate you. Generated Prisma client. Husky installed. Alright, can I run this locally now? Have a good night. I'm programming, needed coffee. See ya. Technically Web3. Got a message for Kareem. Hey mate, did you feel any difference between GPT 3 and 4? What does plugins mean or do? Yeah, I think GPT-4 is obviously better. It's not like hugely better from my experience. I guess in some tasks it might be. But yeah, it's definitely a noticeable experience. It feels smarter. What does plugins mean? So the plugins with OpenAI like enable the chatbots to be able to plug in or talk to other applications like APIs and stuff. Okay. So I need these environment variables to run this agent GPT thing, and that's pretty cool. I don't know, should I take a break or keep going? The viewers are rising, so I feel like, you know, you guys are interested. So I should keep going. Let's have a look. Let's keep going. We'll go until I stream for 2 hours, another 10 minutes. Maybe I can just do some stretches for like, you know, keep my legs. My legs are feeling a bit stiff. All right. Good to stretch, otherwise you get stiff, and not the good kind of stiff. All right. Yes, agent GPT docs, please. Where's agent GPT? Set up here. Following schema. The hell? Yo, Miles of Iron, welcome back. No sleep for the wicked, that's right. I need to make a .env file, right? Where does it need to be? I think it's just in the root. Right here, right? I think so. Let me make this API key off screen. Oh man, this is so annoying. Actually, no, it's not too bad. Actually, yes, it is. Oh, maximum number of API keys. Make sure I don't leak this. Okay, should be good. Karimas, then it works to sub. Is it worth it to sub? I think for the most people, no. It's not really worth the price it is. It's quite expensive. But it's definitely better than, like, GPT-4 is definitely better than 3.5, but I still don't think it's, like, worth $20 a month USD. Have I got Agent GPT running locally? Max says, can you do another one on the models, please? Yeah, for sure. What would you like to see, Max? What do you want to see? I don't fully get it. Like, what does it mean to have a model? Okay. I can, we can do that now. We can, did you watch the Alpaca Turbo one? I can explain that one, Max. Is that the one you're referring to? The Vicuña one? Okay, sweet. I got this running locally, so I can leave that. Pretty happy with that. Yeah, Alpaca Turbo. Awesome, Max. I'll do that right now before I finish this stream. That's all good. That's all good. Yeah, I'll show you. I think people were wanting a full tutorial on Alpaca Turbo, so this is it. Alpaca Turbo tutorial from scratch. Share the stream, guys, so you know people see it. I know people want this. It'll be a while before I be able to edit it into a TikTok, so you lucky viewers, there's only 6 of you apparently on TikTok. I don't know how many are on YouTube and Twitch, but I am on YouTube and Twitch at TechFriend. And we're gonna do Alpaca Turbo tutorial from scratch on Windows. So the tutorial will be different on Mac and Linux, but it'll be very similar actually, but I'm just gonna show you on Windows how I did it. So first you wanna Google Alpaca Turbo and hopefully it'll take you to this GitHub page by Viper X7. Alpaca Turbo, right? And go down and you'll see the instructions for Mac. So the first step is to install Miniconda, and they have links for you here. So you just click it and it installs this Miniconda, which is kind of like it's used to make an environment for Python. To tell us what we do, and this is the full tutorial on Alpaca Turbo and how I made this video on my TikTok account. If you watch it, I think it's like the 4th newest video. I'm doing a tutorial on that. Max says, can you explain exactly what happens once you put a model in? Once you load the model, it gives the application a reference to prompt, so it's prompting that model. It's getting responses from that AI. Okay, so you've installed Conda. Now it says download the latest Alpaca Turbo zip from the release page. This is the release file from this project. So you click on the here and you'll see they have a list of different releases, different versions. You normally want to get the latest one, so the latest release v5 here. And get the zip for Windows, and then you'll see alpaca turbo.zip here with all these files. Now you want to create a new folder anywhere you want, so I'm going to create a new one in my programming directory. I'm going to call it AP tutorial for Alpaca Turbo tutorial, but you can call it whatever you want. And I'm going to put all the files from that zip that we just downloaded into there. All the files from the zip from that release. Okay, once you've done that, we'll go back to see what the next step is. Now it's to copy the Alpaca models and put them in the models directory. So if you guys remember on that video, you go to Hugging Face to get the models. Got some questions. Max asked, so can you do like SpongeBob and other characters? yeah, if you want to do stuff like that, Max, you just need to do the prompting. It'll work just like ChatGPT. Unless you're talking about the voice AI, and that's completely different. This is just for text at the moment. How big is the model? So you can get Alpaca models that are kind of small. You do want to look for a GGML one though. So actually, let's just search Alpaca. See, there's quite a lot. I go Control F for GGML because, oh wow, okay. Here, maybe this one. Yeah, this Chad guy has all. I normally get my models from Chad. And yeah, they got this one. It's, how big is it? 8 gigs. Yeah, they're around 8 gigs for the 13 billion parameter ones. I think the 7 billion ones is like 4 gigs. Max says, I just don't think I understand at all like what it does. So at the moment, it's like just the basic model will respond to text. It's called a generative predictive text AI, so it like always generates the next token, and using that it can string together sentences and words to make sentences to make paragraphs, and it will just try to predict the next word or respond to your question. These ones have been fine-tuned to respond to questions as best as it can. Mega Socrates asks how much VRAM you got. I got a 2080 Ti. I think it has I don't know actually. Let's have a Google. 2080 Ti VRAM. What does it say here? 11 gigs. So yeah, I downloaded this Vicuña model. It's 4 point. Oh, it's a 7 billion. 4.2 gigs. I think I got the 13 billion one, which is 8 gigs. Max says, can you show me an example? What's the difference between each one if they're all just predictive? The differences are quite slight in like what they've been trained on, but like I think you might be assuming that they're very specific, like you said, from SpongeBob and etc. like these characters. But actually, like if you want to get one of these machines to, one of these large language models to act like a character, you should probably just do it through the prompt. So you can be, it's as simple as being like, act as SpongeBob. You are in Krabby Patty and someone orders a Big Mac. Provide a dialogue. You could say something like that, and now it'll act as SpongeBob, see? Hey there, welcome to Krusty Krab. What can I get for you today? Yeah, I'll have a Big Mac, please. I'm sorry, sir, but we don't have Big Macs here. Sorry about my SpongeBob impersonation. We serve the finest burgers in Bikini Bottom, Krabby Patties. Okay, I'll just have a Krabby Patty then. Great choice. Would you like the single or the double? You get what I'm saying here. I don't think I need to go on further. I hope that helps, Max. I'll try finish out this tutorial as well while I'm here. Where was I? Alright, so you've downloaded the model. Max says, I think I get it. I've got to write a business proposal and then the prompt to make it a presentation. Yeah. Go ahead. Okay. So you put the model in the models directory and then you go conda init. So if you don't know how to run these commands, you can use, I think on PowerShell on Windows even works. Can I go here? Can I make this bigger? Yeah. Thanks for the subscription, Max. Alright. So since I'm doing this on Windows, I'll do this on PowerShell since everyone should have PowerShell. After you've installed conda, you should have conda as like a command you can run. Just do conda-v to double check that. And now you want to go to where you've installed your what do you call it? Alpaca Turbo, and you've put the model in the model file. I'm gonna just use the one that I've already made. See, I've got some models here, and just go cd into that directory you just copy by clicking here and copying. And when you're there, actually you don't want to be in the models folder, you want to just be in the Alpaca Turbo folder. You run conda init, like their tutorial says. I've already done that. And then you go close that window, open a new window, and go conda create Alpaca Turbo. This creates the environment called Alpaca Turbo, makes it use Python 3.8. So you do need Python for this. Install that before. And then pip install our requirements after you activate the environment. And then you just run it with Python API.py. And that's it. You have the local host running. So I can do the last two steps. Conda activate Alpaca Turbo. Oh, I haven't created it in this shell. But yeah, that's it. That's the whole tutorial. Scuff tutorial. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this stream. Next stream, I will be continuing my development of Agent GPT. And yeah, I'm hoping to make it such that it can like help you write code and run code and debug code and browse the internet. That's actually a big one. So apparently we're using LangChain and a bunch of other tools to give the AI connection to the internet and other information. Thanks for tuning in, guys.